Hey guys, it's Dr. Vick with Airrosti. Today I'm going to show you 3 exercises that you can do to improve tennis elbow. Let's get started. For this first exercise, we're going to be using a lacrosse ball to roll out the front portion of the forearm muscles. You want to do this because generally day to day, those muscles tend to get really tight, especially if you work at a computer all day long. So you want to make sure that they're nice and stretched out. In order to do this exercise, you want to sit at a table or something table height. You're going to place the lacrosse ball right into kind of the meatier portion of that inner forearm. You'll apply the opposite pressure with your hand and scan for any spots that are tender in that area. Once you do, you can apply a little more pressure when you find that tender spot and hold it for a couple seconds. After that, continue scanning and rolling that ball back and forth. You want to do this for about 2 minutes, twice a day. For the second exercise, we're going to be doing wrist supination isometric holds. You want to do this exercise in order to strengthen those outer forearm muscles. To do this exercise, you want to have your arm at 90, make sure your shoulder blade is down and back. You're going to take the opposite arm and hold it and prevent the affected arm from twisting or rotating open. Now, what you should be feeling is a tension through those outer forearm muscles, but there shouldn't be any pain. You can hold this for about 10 seconds and do it 3 times, twice a day. For this third exercise, we're going to be doing something called the wrist grip squeeze. Now, the reason that we want to do this is kind of similar to that second one. We're going to be loading those tissues on the outer forearm, except we're loading it a little bit differently this time using something called an eccentric load instead of the isometric. You want to do this exercise with your arm at 90, shoulder blade down and back. You want to have something that's similar to a stress ball or something that you can squeeze easily with your hand. You want to hold it for 1 second and then slowly release. That's the main focus of this versus holding the ball tight. You want to just focus on that slow, controlled release of it. You should feel maybe a little bit of pressure on that inner forearm, but you mainly want to feel the outer forearm muscles working when you're doing this. Again, there shouldn't be any pain with this, just feeling like you're doing some work with that forearm. You can do 5 repetitions of this exercise 3 times a day. We hope this information was helpful. If you or someone that you know is suffering from tennis elbow, please click here to schedule an appointment today. We have both telehealth visits and in-person visits available. If you want, you can click up here to look at some of our other YouTube videos for more information, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down here. Thanks, and see you guys next time.